Now we are discussing about chemical business ideas. In that, today we can discuss about agrochemical manufacturing. This chemical industry formulates and prepares fertilizer products, pesticides, that is, example is herbicides, insecticides and fungicides and other agricultural chemicals. Example is insect repellents, sheep dips, fly sprays and flea powders. These we can make. Agrochemical manufacturing is also not a simple word, because in agrochemical manufacturing means so many will be there. In that, not one chemical. Pesticides will be there, herbicides will be there, insecticides will be there, and insecticides is there. Separately, in which part of chemical if we want to make is have a good study, and so many YouTube videos are also available to make herbicides, and projects also available in Google also. You can see those. By seeing all these and study it and get an experience in your neighbor areas and locations and industries, then you can start this business. First, you may have a good experience by you may have good idea about herbicides, insecticides, fungicides and pesticides making, even though work experience is most important. So you should work at least 6 months under one process of information, process of chemical making. At least a couple of months, if you know about these, you can start independently. Before starting this, you should have a project also. In that project, where is the present best location, and transportation is available or not, and water supply is there or not, any side effects will be there to neighboring areas or not. All these things you should get the permission, and then you can start. Then it will be very successful manufacturing, that is agrochemical manufacturing. Always business will be there, but it is very randomly it will go, not continuously this day and tomorrow and next day, not likewise. It is a 3 months gap will come. Immediately in a 1 week all your goods will sell out. Likewise this business will be there, because it is chemicals and chemical manufacturing. So pesticides, they will take one set lot. Likewise herbicides, herbicides means herbal chemicals, and insecticides, insects also, herbal insects also will kill the production, so that insecticides are also important, and fungicides, all these are most important in agriculture. So you can do this, but you should have a clear-cut project, and where to do, where to get, and when to do, in which way you have to do. All this information, you should have a clear project, and you should have at least a couple of months of good experience in that particular chemical manufacturing. Then you will be successful in this business, and it will be fruitful to you and to your team and to your company also. Wishing you all the best.